Hello esteemed colleagues, in this tutorial video we'll review operating cost section usage of the stock and purchase module of the WAYL system. First of all, we will need to access the operating cost section. It can be accessed either from the main page or from the left side menu. You will be redirected to the next page. This section allows you to view any additional costs for orders like delivery costs, taxes, services, etc. These values are being taken from purchase module. This section is only for viewing and generating reports. Middle screen shows you records about additional costs for every order separately. Meanwhile, at the bottom of the page, you can view summary of all costs. Above the list, there is a search bar that allows you to find necessary records by typing text there. Also, you can select start and finish dates to view records for the selected period of time. Include zero values checkbox will also show additional records where all numeric values are zero, of course if you have any. And finally, you can print a report by pressing print button. Don't forget that filtering is being applied also for report. Hope this information will be helpful. Subscribe for the channel and stay tuned for upcoming lessons. Thanks for watching.